Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. As you can see, I've been making some of these little Jeep guys. After I make them, I put little hooks in here and you can hang them up on your mirror as a little ornament, or you can just hang them up on your room, anywhere you want to. But these are the ones I've got so far. Excuse me. And you saw me make this one here. This is the blue one. It's more than enough cured. I've had it been sitting here for a couple of days because I was working on other stuff too. So let me go ahead and take this out of the mold, and we're going to take a look at it and see how it is. So this is the mold here. Looks good. All the mica powder came off. And this is what it looks like. Are you guys ready? Ta-da! Oh, that's cute. Now I got a blue one. So I've got my little hooks right here. And I'm going to go ahead and drill these in. First I put like a black paint around all around the edge. Then I'll clean this off where the sharp edges are so you don't cut yourself. Clean up here, put some black on here. I've got my marker right here. The paint that I use, we'll leave that up here so you can see what I'm doing. These are so cute, these little Jeeps. I really like them. So we'll go ahead and do the headlight. And this is a paint, a black paint that I'm using. It's this one here. I forget where I got this from. I want to say Walmart. Go ahead and paint the headlights. Then you got your little marker light here and here. This almost looks like a gray. And then we'll get the windshield painted. And this marker, or the pen, doesn't even smell like paint either. You don't smell nothing. There's no odor, which is nice. I like that. Okay, so now we're going to do the inside of the grill. Like that. And these turned out so cute. I'm going to make some other colored ones. I really like this. I got to make some more pink because I got to put one in my Jeep. There. And then I got to paint the top of it. I don't know if you can see what I'm doing. Now these are not scented. These are mainly just like a decoration that you can hang on your Jeep, your mirror. Yeah, I'm gonna need 2 coats on here. Okay, so I'm gonna let that dry, and I'll come back to it and I'll work on the bottom and then get the second coat done. And then I'm going to go ahead and put the little holes in the top and get these things set up. So I think the other color I'm going to do, I'll probably do a darker blue. And I'm going to do a few more of these of different colors. But these are the ones I have done for now. Let me know what you guys all think. Thanks for watching.